In addition to using keywords to facilitate class discussions, drawings and images are often another useful medium for brainstorming and creativity training. In the old days, teachers may have distributed a piece of drawing paper to each group of students and asked them to draw a design. Let's see how Dr. Falk taught his engineering design course in the past.
Now today we are going to design something, together. So I hope you can make use of your innovations to draw a bridge. Good design.
But drawing on paper is not green and is ineffective. Nowadays, students can draw their designs on tablet PCs and share their innovation on the teacher screen through the cloud network. With the help of the peer review function, students can also view the drawings submitted by other groups and learn from one another. They can even rate and give comments to other students and groups, which makes peer assessment easy and effective. Apart from drawing on a blank paper, teachers can also upload a pre-printed worksheet, such as a map, to the system. Students can then download the map through iClass and work on it.
I've already uploaded a world map on iClass, so you can click on these activities, draw your journey in this summer, and then you'll see the world map here. So you can draw on the world map and show us.
Students can use different color pens to draw the routes on the map. They can also insert photos from their own albums or e-stickers provided by teachers from the cloud network to enrich the drawing. They can also insert a fresh photo by using the camera icon, which could be useful for sharing the results in a laboratory experience or on a field trip. Afterwards, students press the cloud button to submit to the teacher screen.
Oh, good. We have group A, B, and C, and you have shared your path.
In addition to maps, teachers can also upload other worksheets such as graph papers, lab sheets, medical images, or architectural drawings to the system. Making good quality color hard copies of these materials is expensive, but through using iClass, these teaching materials can be easily duplicated on high-resolution screens for students to work on. It could save time, paper, and money.